Hello everybody, this is Aishley Verma, an intern with LEXIS and Company, and today in this video I will be dealing with a case named Pattu Rajan versus State of Tamil Nadu. So the citation of the case is Criminal Appeal number 680 and 681 of 2009. It was appealed in the Supreme Court of India, and the bench consists of Justice N.V. Raman, Justice Mohan M. Shantan Koduar, and Justice Indra Banerjee. Date of the judgment is 29th March 2019. Head notes of the case include section 364, section 304, section 302, section 201 of IPC. Facts of the case are following. The judgment passed by the High Court of Judicature at Madras High Court convicted the accused appellant for the abduction and murder of Santa Kumar, husband of the complainant, Jiva Jyoti, that is prosecution witness number 1, is called in action in these appeals. Further, accused number 1 is the proprietor of a chain of hotels, that is Swarna Bhavan, for either upon the advice of an astrologer or having become bestowed with prosecution witness number 1, that is Jiva Jyoti. Accused number 1 had envisaged a keen desire to take prosecution witness number 1 as his third wife, though she was already married to Santa Kumar, that is the deceased in this case. In order to fulfill his desires, accused number 1 used to financially help prosecution witness, that is Jiva Jyoti, prosecution witness number 1, her family members and her husband. Further, accused number 1 took the help of other appellants in order to eliminate her husband, the husband of Jiva Jyoti, for securing Jiva Jyoti, that is prosecution witness number 1, as his third wife. On 18th October 2001, Jiva Jyoti as well as her husband went to Sai Baba temple as instructed by the accused number 2. Soon after, two ambassadors came and a Tata Sumo vehicle came and halted behind the car in which Jiva Jyoti, that is prosecution witness number 1, and her husband was sitting. Accused number 3 and 4, armed with knives, got out of the cars and forced prosecution witness number 1. We will be referring PW1 here from now onwards. Forced PW1 and her husband to board the car of the accused in which accused number 5 was sitting, and took them to the Chengal Putta. Further, at about 8:30 p.m. on the same night, a Mercedes-Benz bearing registration number TN10M7755 MO4 belonging to accused number 1 arrived with the parents of PW1 along with accused number 1. Thereafter, PW1, that is the mother of PW1, PW2, that is the mother of PW1, informed PW1 that accused number 1 was in the said Benz car and wanted PW1 to leave her husband and meet accused 1 in the car. As PW1 resisted, accused number 3 and 4 forcibly took PW1 to the Benz car, and she was taken to Tiruchirappalli in the said car. On 19th October 2001, PW1 was taken to PW9 by accused number 5 at 8 at Parapaddi village to remove the alleged influence of witchcraft, that is black magic, which was alleged to cause her being in love with Santa Kumar. Further, after 2 days, Santa Kumar spoke to PW1, that is Jiva Jyoti, his wife, over a phone call, and stated that accused number 2 had told him about being given rupees 5 lakh by the accused number 1 to kill him, but accused number 2 had let him go unharmed out of sympathy and had asked him to escape to Mumbai. However, Santa Kumar returned to PW1 upon her request. Subsequently, on 21st October 2001, both approached accused number 1 to seek his mercy, thus revealing that Santa Kumar was still alive. On 24th October 2001, They took the couple to the police office of the deputy commissioner of the police to withdraw the complaint relating to the incident of abduction, which had been lodged earlier that month, and made them sign a few blank papers. Further, on the same day, accused number 5 and 6 took Santa Kumar, PW1, and her family to remove the influence of black magic on PW1, after which they reached Tirunelveli. On 26th October 2001, at about 6:30 am, accused number 5 came and informed them that the accused number 1 had instructed Santa Kumar to be brought to him. Upon reaching the Karai Ilupu culvert, and upon signal by the accused number 5, the other vehicles stopped, and accused number 2, 4 and 6 aligned therefrom. Accused number 1 got out and grabbed Santa Kumar by the collar, dragging him out. He pushed Santa Kumar down and handed him over to the accused number 2, 4 and 6, and ordered them to finish him off. While PW1, that is Jiva Jyoti, was staying at her mother's house at Velicherry, accused number 5, 8 and other henchmen of accused number 1 kept a constant vigil over the movement of PW1 and her family. She lodged the FIR on 20 November 2001, stating that the accused number 1 had his henchmen and murdered her husband, and the same was registered as a crime number 1047 of 2001. On 31st October 2001, prior to the lodging of FIR, one Foster by name Raman and forest guard Murugusen, that is prosecution witness number 26 and 27 respectively, of the Kodai Canal range, discovered the dead body of a male near the Tiger Chola resort, near the Tiger Chola forest area. On seeing the eight dead bodies, PW27 lodged the first information report in the police station addressed extension P42 at Kodai Canal police station. Meanwhile, the accused had surrendered and confessed to the commission of Santa Kumar's murder. The trial court, upon evaluation of the matter on record, convicted the accused appellant for the offence punishable under section 346, 304, part 1 and 201 of IPC. High Court, while confirming the finding of guilty of the accused, modified the conviction for the offence punishable under section 304 of IPC. Just a second. 304 of IPC and 302 of IPC. The court, relying upon the evidence of the doctors, prosecution witness number 35 and 38, who conducted the two post-mortem examination, concluded that the death was homicidal in nature, as the cause of the death was found by the breathing problem. The issues, if we talk about the issues of the fact, so there were two issues, that is whether the case is whether the case in hand is merely a continuation of the earlier offence, that is crime number 1030 of 2001 relating to the abduction of PW1 and the deceased Santa Kumar, whether DNA test should have been conducted in order to identify the dead body, and identification merely on the basis of superimposition test, which is not a tangible piece of evidence, is proper. So these were the two issues. And if we talk about the judgment of the case are as follows. The court held that the evidence on record fully proves that the case of the prosecution had the trial court and that the trial court was as well as the High Court evaluated the material on record in its proper perspective while coming to their conclusion. It was also added that the judgment of the trial court, as modified by the High Court, need not to be interfered with. The appeals were failed and stood dismissed. So this was it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.